Freshly squeezed fruit juices are great for the health of your skin and for the immune system. Every fruit is packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Yet there are three types of fruit juice combinations that are sure to give your skin the radiance and glow it needs. The first one is apples and pineapple. Apples and pineapples are packed with vitamin C and magnesium. Both pineapples and apples are high in antioxidants and flavonoids that help fight inflammation and contribute to clear, glowing skin. The second combination is peaches and apricots. Both peaches and apricots are rich in fiber and vitamin C and E. These are two beauty fruits. Their vitamins and water content promote healthy, glowing skin. Moreover, beet juice is commonly used as an ingredient in a number of skincare products. The third one is watermelon and orange. Watermelon and oranges are high in potassium and vitamin C and A. These vitamins serve as antioxidants, protecting the skin from damage caused by free radicals, thus helping you look young and glowing.